Yeehaw! Welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. All right, we made it to Culvers for their dark chocolate raspberry concrete mixer. So it mixes dark chocolate raspberry dove pieces with vanilla and chocolate, what you call it? You know what they call it. Syrup in their custard, or all that stuff. So yeah, chocolate and vanilla custard with raspberry dove dark chocolate pieces. I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked there. I was not expecting such a heavy burst of raspberry. That's really good. That's phenomenal. Let's go for some vanilla. Well, I guess I can't. I was trying to. That's just so dynamic. Flavorful, sweet, chocolatey, fruity, tart. Bittersweet. This one surprised me. Just from the looks at it, you're not expecting much raspberry, but it comes in. This really gives off a Valentine's vibe, and maybe they'll have it through Valentine's, but it's so delicious. I really hope this is around through Valentine's Day, because it's really weird timing. The holiday season, so delicious. Rich, chunky, but also creamy, chocolatey, fruity, tart, bitter. Lots of flavor profiles. And if you don't have like a mature palate, this may not be for you, but it's perfect for me. It's a 10 out of 10. You guys gotta check it out. Other than that, I'll see y'all around. Yay!